Very good, man.
Take him up. Take him up.
Right forward! That's it!
Shalom, shalom. Yes, people, we back with another one. After a weekend of celebrating Grandma Memorial, 1 year memorial, we just out here at the beach as a family, just enjoying each other, enjoying just being around each other. And after all, we are on the beautiful island of Jamaica. So why not go to the beach, eat some food, laugh, and just enjoy each other, right?
I'm standing up. You know what picture them used to do to me?
Yeah, man. Carry him in the building.
You ever get ducked yet? Come on, what?
What?
Let me show you something. Let me show you what they used to do me. Come here, man. It's not deep. Look, I'm standing up.
Yeah, man.
Hi!
Yeah, man.
What's that? Big swimmer.
Yeah.
You know what swim?
Yeah.
You sure? Alright. Hold me in, Alex. I might just make today his own vlog. I don't know. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna do it.
Big up to all my subscribers.
Like a dark cloud over there. You think it's gonna rain?
Much love and appreciation. Is me, I say?
One chad.
Video, like the videos, share the videos,
Wait a minute.
comment and subscribe. Yeah, man.
Bree.
Big up myself. Keep watching the vlog.
Huh?
Try to enjoy the water.
The chad, man. You have to show your good.
Then I know good beach up so.
Kingston is Kingston not even. I'll be a dirt there at Kingston, man. Ryan, talk to the people, them.
Yes, man. You know how long we want to come in at this, Papa?
All
Yard.
this.
No way better than yard, Papa. Yeah. Yeah.
Granny oldest son, that people.
Yeah. No way better
One
than
blood right there, sir. I'm not gonna be here. I'll be at work. I'm leaving Tuesday.
Maybe I do.
Yeah. Are you Pablo?
I leave Tuesday.
How will I leave? Good. One more now.
Say hi.
Loosen up the joints, man. The water no deep. Uncle Ricky. Wow. You get some squats. Feel good, Nacho? Yes. Ah, see it there.
See that? Deep.
You find that girl coming in. You find him.
You want to go find him?
Come in. Nah, you good. Nah, you good, man.
Take him up. Take him up.
What you man?
Now, we don't want no casualty on that one. Is it me or Uncle look like he was about to drown? They didn't tell me if I grab him, someone just grab him, right? I made sure I grabbed him. No casualties on this one. The boss, good one. The boss say he went good still.
That's it, man. Post the on TikTok. All my girls, they was all on me.
Let me see.
By the way, guys, not sure when you're seeing this video, but it's politics time. So it definitely was different me seeing how politician and how the whole Jamaica work during this time, because it's definitely been years. Last time we actually there at Jamaica when all this stuff was going on, I was a kid. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed it. just to fill you in, we was headed back home and then we saw there was a P&P campaign going on. Now, I haven't seen nothing like this since I was probably a kid, so it was exciting for us. So my auntie and I, a couple of us, we decided to join the campaign and just follow them and just enjoy the excitement. But boy, they drive crazy during this time, but we definitely enjoyed it. It was my aunties and cousin, older cousin. You know, we enjoyed it. We joined a little campaign, you know.
I guess so. They must do it though. They probably didn't like fun.
Watch it.
Oh, sir. That's not necessary.
Power, 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 power.
My man hiding green country.
Green, I'm a...
Hear me, I know.
What that green?